Teachers are overwhelmed, not because they can't teach, but because they're asked to do everything else besides teaching, too. Grading, planning, parent emails, data tracking, behavior logs, all before the next bell even rings. If you've ever whispered, "I love teaching, but I can't keep doing it like this episode is for you. Because this week, I'm walking you through a complete 7-day plan to build your very first AI-powered classroom, one that saves time, reduces burnout, and actually brings the joy of teaching back. This is not theory. It's a real-world, teacher-tested roadmap. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, find the job you really want, and thrive in the AI era. Grab your notebook and let's dive in. Step 1. Understand what an AI-powered classroom really is. When people hear AI classroom, they imagine robots grading papers or machines replacing teachers. That's further from the trust. An AI-powered classroom is simply a learning environment that uses automation and intelligent tools to handle repetitive tasks, so you can focus on the human side: connection, creativity, and critical thinking. AI helps with 4 core areas: lesson planning, grading and feedback, student engagement, and personalized learning. You're still in charge. AI is just your invisible co-teacher. Step 2. Day 1, plan your AI setup. Start small. You don't need to overhaul your entire classroom. Pick one subject or one unit, something coming up in the next 2 weeks. Create a folder on your computer or Google Drive called AI Classroom Pilot. Inside it, make 4 subfolders: lesson plans, student resources, assessments, and reflections. You'll drop everything you build this week right there. Then choose one free or low-cost AI tool to explore: ChatGPT, MagicSchool.ai, Curipod, or Diffit. Your only goal on day 1 is to learn how to ask AI for help effectively. Prompt example: design a 3-day lesson plan on renewable energy for 8th grade science with clear objectives and project ideas. Once AI gives you a draft, spend 10 minutes editing it. Congratulations! You've just built your first AI-assisted lesson. Step 3. Day 2, automate your lesson planning. Now that you've experimented, it's time to streamline your workflow. Teachers spend an average of 2 to 3 hours a week planning lessons. AI can cut that to 30 minutes. Here's the formula. Use ChatGPT or Claude for the content framework. Use Diffit or Curipod for interactive slides and questions. Use MagicSchool.ai to adapt materials for IEP or ELL students. Prompt example: create a differentiated 5-day lesson on ecosystems for 6th grade science. Include one group activity, one AI-enhanced quiz, and a reflection assignment. Review, adjust for your classroom, and save it in your folder. That's 1 hour of work turned into 15 minutes. Step 4. Day 3, simplify your grading system. Grading is one of the biggest energy drains for teachers. Try this. Take one assignment, maybe an essay or short answer quiz, and build an AI-assisted rubric. Prompt example: create a 4-point rubric for 9th grade ELA. It scores organization, evidence, grammar, and insight. Add a sample feedback comment for each category. You can paste student work into ChatGPT and say, evaluate this assignment using the rubric above. Provide 2 positive notes and 1 specific area to improve. AI gives you a consistent starting point. You finalize it with your judgment. If you teach STEM, try Gradescope or Formative to auto-grade quizzes and give real-time feedback. You've just saved 2 to 4 hours per week, and reduced bias while you're at it. Step 5. Ask AI to simplify or translate these questions for ELL students so everyone participates. You'll notice the classroom feels more inclusive, and you spent half the prep time. Step 6. Day 5. Use AI for parent and admin communication. This is where most teachers reclaim their sanity. AI can write empathetic, professional messages in your voice. Prompt: write a friendly update to parents about our upcoming science fair. Include dates, how students should prepare, and how parents can help. Or write a quick note to my principal summarizing our class AI pilot this week in under 200 words. Edit for tone and accuracy, and send. That puts another hour back in your day. Step 7. Day 6. Personalize learning with AI assistance. This is where your classroom starts to feel truly AI enhanced. If you use Khan Academy, enable Khanmigo. It acts as a virtual tutor that guides students step by step. If you teach literacy or writing, use Grammarly Go to give instant grammar and clarity feedback, while you focus on idea development. If you teach math or STEM, try Socratic by Google or MathGPT to coach students through problem solving. The goal isn't to let AI teach for you. It's to let AI handle the repetitive practice so you can mentor the thinking. Step 8, Day 7, reflect and showcase your progress. At the end of the week, look back at what changed. Make a simple table in Notion or Google Docs with 3 columns. Task before AI, hours spent. Task with AI, hours spent. Time saved. Most teachers save between 8 and 12 hours a week after their first trial. Now turn that into a mini portfolio project. Record a 2-minute video explaining what you built and how it helped. That artifact can go on LinkedIn, your resume, or your district's innovation showcase. You're not just using AI, you're demonstrating leadership and adaptability. Step 9. Real stories from the field. Meet Mr. Rodriguez, a high school biology teacher in Dallas. He implemented AI-generated labs for students to practice virtual experiments before real ones. His students retained more information and wrote clearer lab reports. Or Miss Chang, a middle school history teacher who used Diffit to adapt primary source documents for different reading levels. Her students went from 40% participation to 90% in just 2 weeks. Every teacher starts small, then realizes AI doesn't take away their value. It amplifies it. Step 10, protect your human touch. AI can analyze, summarize, and grade, but it can't show that it cares. That's still your superpower. Use AI for tasks that don't need emotion, so you had energy for the moments that do. Because students don't remember rubrics. They remember how you made them believe they could do hard things. Here's your Feature Friday challenge. Choose one area: lesson planning, grading, communication, or personalization, and use AI for it this week. Track your time before and after. Comment or tag at AI Kojimani with your results. By next Friday, you could have your first AI-powered classroom up and running, and a lot more time to breathe. AI won't make you a better teacher. You already are one. But it will make teaching sustainable, creative, and fun again. So don't wait for policy changes or perfect training. Start where you are. Use what you have. Build as you go. Because the future of education isn't something to fear. It's something to shape. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you clarity. Share it with a teacher who deserves their time back. Don't forget to hit subscribe, because tomorrow on Deep Dive Saturday, I'll show you how to turn your classroom success into a career portfolio that opens doors in EdTech. See you then, as we take your teaching career to the next level.